What happens? What happens? I have a hypothetical question, but at the end of this program, we can talk some hypothesis. What happens if BJP, MGP are together, which they are right now? Let's talk present day situation. GFP and RGP are together, and Congress and AAP go solo. What happens then?
Again, we'll have somewhat.
Will there be a consolidation towards any of the option, or it will be a completely fractured space?
Completely fractured, because we'll have a repeat of 2022 again. Because see, that is what has happened. The secular vote, which is there with Congress and AAP trying to encroach into it, enche bidorus fight datle. Vote will get split there, and the advantage will be with the BJP. A classic case here is Naveli. Naveli,
Correct.
Tuekar was a lesser known face. He was not a known figure politically.
Yeah.
But by this kind of a split, I mean, he emerged as a winner.
प्रमोद 32% मता घेऊन 20% सीट बीजेपी
20 सीट घेतली
20 सीटा घेऊन बीजेपी असलेच प्रकार जावपाच्या सध्याच्या सिच्युएशनान जशी बीजेपी स्ट्रॉंग आहा आणि ती बेफिकीर ना बीजेपी
बीजेपी आपली इलेक्शनाची तयारी सुरू केली
आणि त्यांचे काम खूप एडवान्सान सुरू जाता ते एमजीपी सुद्धा आता तेंच्याकडे सरकारा बरोबर आहा ते तेजे जोग काडून रावले आसतले घेवप ना घेवप ते टायमार तांकां कुशीक करप काय लागीं घेवप ते करतले